Welcome to Clean Eating and Exercises with Ashley, where I bring you workouts you can do anywhere, giving you ideas and then recipes to take along with you. The goal is to make you feel healthy, energy, weight loss. And today what we're gonna do is Tabata exercises. I'm gonna be giving you 8 different exercises, some basic just with arms, others complex. So let's get started. We're gonna be using 5-pound and 8-pound weights, but remember when it comes to Tabata and strength training, it's always form first and weights later. First one we're gonna do is a shoulder press. I'm gonna be teaching you the basics of it, and then what you can do to add. So you're gonna start with your feet hip distance apart, a narrow stance. Bringing your heavier weights right to the side of your body. You are going to curl, push it up, bring it down, and uncurl. Now you're not gonna let the arms swing back. You're gonna control the biceps, bringing them down. Curl, push it up, uncurl. 2 more things to remember. 1, your core is always engaged. What I mean by that is that belly button is pulled in, your butt is squeezing. You want them to feel as if they are touching each other. Second, when you push the weights up, try not to lift with the shoulders, causing tension. I want you to think your neck is long, shoulders pushed down. You are lifting with your upper back. All right, let's do 2 more. Deep breaths. And last one. Next, what we're gonna do is go into an upright row. You are gonna keep your feet exactly where they are. You are gonna shift the weights in front. We're gonna start with 1 arm at a time, just so you can get the feel of it. Gliding the arm up. Now watch that elbow. Don't let it lift up. Pull it down. You want your elbow in line with your shoulder and release. Let's do 1 on the other side. Let it glide up your body and pull it down. So then you're gonna combine both. Still pulling in that belly button into the spine and your butt is tight. You're gonna lift up and glide it down. Just like the shoulder press, as you're lifting up, do not lift with the shoulders. You're gonna cause tension. I want you to feel like that upper back is lifting up. And we're still using 8-pound weights. You do not need to use 8-pound weights. You can go lighter, form over weight. All right, one way to make this basic move more complex is adding a deadlift. Going forward, hinging through the hip. You're gonna feel that stretch going up the calf through the hamstring and gliding it to an upright row. 1 more time. Bringing it down and gliding it up. These are all notes, so make sure you're writing it down. Things you can do in classes, things you can bring with you wherever you're traveling. Okay, next one we're gonna do is a lateral raise. Now, with this one, I definitely recommend starting with no weights, then increasing to heavier weights. Once you get the form first with that lateral raise, you are gonna be taking 1 arm to the side and bringing it down. Bringing it to the side and bringing it down. Now we're starting to get more of the back involved. Whereas before it was just the upper back, you're gonna start to feel it gliding down the center. I like to, with this, still keep the weight a little bit in front. I like to see it out of the corner of my eye, similar to when you do a fly. That doesn't mean you can't go directly to the side. You absolutely can, but I just choose to keep it a little bit in front, all right? Then you can start to do both. But as you are doing both, what I want you to try and prevent is giving it that little like oomph that you'll sometimes see people do. You're not gonna be using that back as much in those shoulders instead of just lifting and down, which is why you start with lighter weights over heavier weights. Form first. All right, next move. Remember, these are all Tabata-based boot camp moves. Dead bug. Excellent. I love this one. We're gonna get those lower abs going. All right, weights, keep them right above your chest. Bring your legs into a tabletop. First, let's just do the legs. Kick it down and bring it up. As you are bringing the legs up, I want your feet to stay in line with the knees. I want you to prevent doing this, dropping your feet. We want those lower abs to work. How are they gonna work? Yes, lifting those knees. You're kicking it out, pulling it in, knee right above the hips, opposite arm. Driving it over, keeping a soft bend in that elbow. Now, as you are doing this, it's going to be very easy to lift that lower back. Again, you are going to pull in that belly button. You are going to drive that lower back into the floor. And let's do 4, 3, 2, and last one. All right, roll it up. You're halfway done. Next, what we're gonna do, let's just get no weights, get the body moving. We're gonna do roll down, walk out into a plank, roll up. I'm gonna face the side so you can see the form. You're gonna roll down, get those hamstrings in there, walk it out. Hold it really quick, shoulders over the wrist. You are up on the balls of your feet. In the center of the palm, you are going to walk it back, start bending the knees, roll it up, chin into the chest. Good total body workout. Excellent one you can do in the morning to wake up the body. Let's do 2 more times, rolling it down, walk it out, and kick it back. Roll it up, keeping the chin into the chest, lifting it up. 1 more time, rolling it down, walk it out, and bring it back. Ooh, it's nice to add that one in the middle. All right, now we're gonna do a lunge front. Grab those 8-pound weights, you're gonna use them as a stability. I'm gonna face the side. As you lunge front, both knees are going to bend. You're gonna keep that knee right over that ankle, bending that back knee, push off, alternating. And we've added the weights there. That way, since the core is helping us keep our balance, those weights are adding just a little extra element in case you start to get wobbly. You have to pull yourself back up center. And 1 more each side. This is something too, whoopsies, where I might add a curl and lift up. Okay, next one, grab one of your weights. You're gonna do a tricep and then bring your arms front. So lift it above, feet together. With that tricep, you bend at the elbow, keeping them next to the ear. Bring it up and then drop it down. Lifting it up, bend, lift, and drop it down. Good job, pick it up. Bend, lift, and just like the shoulder press, as you're lifting, I want you to keep the shoulders down. You have to keep your shoulders out of your ears. You are doing fabulous. Let's do 1 more. Breathing in, breathe out. Excellent job. You've got 1 more. We're gonna finish off in a plank. As much as planks stink, they are an excellent core workout. So stick with me, you're gonna learn to love them. I started completely over with planks when I had my baby 3.5 years ago, and I honestly feel like I'm even stronger than I was before. You're gonna go into that plank. Now, if you want to learn how to do planks the right way, you're gonna check out my video right here. We're gonna break down the basics. It's all about body awareness. You're gonna pull your knees up. Right knee, pull it in, cross it under the left, in, out. Other side, pull the knee in, cross it under, in, out. I want you to stay forward. A lot of times with planks, when you start to get tired, you push back and you are putting pressure in the palm of your hand. Let's keep the weight centered. 1 more each side. Woo! And there you go. Those are some exercises you could do in your next Tabata class. If you are looking for an actual Tabata workout, make sure you go to my website. It is up on my cover page. You can find it in my bio. It's ashleywellingfitness.com. You will find my workouts there, 30 to 45 minutes in length. Come join me. Otherwise, hit subscribe. This is your next workout. This is Clean Eating and Exercises with Ashley, and I will see you again. All right, bye.